Hey everyone, Amtrak and C63 up in here, and we got 63 close to like 1242. Then we're also gonna have someone else diff at the helm because my sword friend unfortunately got put to work back in Albany and also now doing trains just to the Big Apple and back. So that's why we're gonna have someone else different at the helm, unfortunately. But I did meet this guy. Though, um, uh, not too long ago, and I'm not sure if he's subscribed yet, but I'm sure he's on the train today, though. And, and this is probably him. Yep. Holly was 92, I believe, but we'll see what unit he has.